FxTrading gold. Yes, boy zones, we are back again. We are back again for another live stream. What is on the agenda? What is on the agenda for today? We are looking at gold, and I am actually looking at gold. Let's open this up a bit more. I am actually looking at gold buys overall. Let's turn that light on. There we go. My bias is bias. Reason being, we are overall bullish. We have created new all-time highs. I am overall expected at some point a pull down and some sort of correction, but gold has been very continuously moving to the upside for quite a while now. So at the minute I am just following structure based off this 4-hour time frame. Straighten that. We're in a demand zone down here, so that's being respected. Weekly highs have been taken. Weekly highs have been taken. Previous daily hasn't. Previous daily low has. So yesterday's lows have been taken. Weekly highs have been taken. I'm expecting some sort of move upside at some point. The move upside is already happening, but now I need to look for an entry or wait for an entry. We have created an inverted fair value gap from here, from these three candles across. So we've got an inverted fair value gap that we could come back and test into. That's on the 30-minute. What time is it? The time is 20 to 9. I want to wait for the 8 o'clock hour to finish. So I want that 8 o'clock hour to finish, the 9 o'clock to open, and kind of move from there. Let's just say good morning to the Discord. I'm going to upload the link into the Discord as well, because we are live. Actually, what's that going? Live sessions. Have I not got a live session thing? I haven't got a live session link. Got a webinar link, but not a live session link. But let's just put that in. I'll put that in there, fuck it. Alright. Let's get back to it. So yeah, Asia lows have been taken. We're in the higher time frame demand zone. We've created an inverted fair value gap, which is nice to see. A good V-shaped reversal as well. So yeah, I am going to be looking for entries for buys, possibly take out Asia highs and beyond. Let's mark out liquidity areas. The next one to be up here, so that's the next one. So we've got three areas of liquidity. This would be the final take profit. These areas here. I'm guessing the first one's Asia highs. Oh no, the second one's Asia highs. So yeah, that second one's going to be more of a stronger target. I'm actually going to remove that one. Asia highs is their inverted fair value gap based off the 30-minute. We have got a big, strong London push to the upside. And yeah, now it's a waiting game. I don't actually look at any other pairs now, so we're only trading gold, which has helped with my trading frequency. So my trading frequency has dropped majorly. I'm having a lot of days now where I'm not trading at all, which is good. So yeah, things are getting a lot better. Sharpening the tools again, sharpening the tools. We have to always sharpen them tools. But yeah, I'm waiting for the 9 o'clock hour to open, and then we'll see where we're at, see where we can break, see if we can break some structure levels, and I want to return to some sort of key level, preferably back down here to this IFVG, preferably. We do have an order block, 5-minute order block within 50% of that DR, but it's not nothing significant. Not really nothing significant to me, but we'll keep it there anyway. But yeah, nothing else is really going on, so we just got to wait. We've got 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, so this, my friends, is what trading is all about. You sit and wait. Sit and wait. You are now live on YouTube. Thank you. What is going on, bro? Scrambling family. Oh, mate. Oh, mate. Fucking hell. What is going on in this world? Right. We've got 9 minutes. 9 minutes till the candle close. We have pushed up and swept out this liquidity on the 5. No close on the 15. 30 minutes still rolling. 1 hour is still rolling. Oh, 1 hour still rolling. We are in a little down structure here though, so we've got to be very careful. A little bearish structure, so we do need to be vigilant on that. What's happening, JP? What is popping, boy? Looking for gold buys, lad. Looking for them gold buys. Overall, anyway, looking for gold buys. Lovely wick down into our demand. We are rejecting it nicely. London open, engulfing, created a 30-minute inverted fair value gap with a V-shaped reversal, taking out liquidity from here. And now we're getting that shift. Now we need to wait for a structure, and then we've got Asia highs we could possibly target, as well as the all-time highs. And that is it. I've stopped trading the Mexican peso, mate. Too volatile for me, like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Gold only, mate. Gold only for me now. Trade frequency has dropped, meaning less losses. So that is good to see. Is my screen frozen, or is it just me? Oh, no way. So the actual fucking chart is frozen. One sec. What's going on here? What is going on here, lad? Fucking hell, what's going on? Screen's froze. One sec. That's weird, isn't it? Why does it do that? I have to swap. That's creepy, mate. That's creepy. I don't know why it does that. The screen freezes, mate. So now the YouTube should be back working again. I don't know if you still use OBS, JP, or whatever, but does yours ever do that? It's fucking frustrating, mate. The screen freezes, but the camera works, and yeah, it's very strange. I have to like reset the screen. I don't know, mate. Technical shit, eh? So you'll type in on the YouTube, but you won't type in on the fucking Discord. That's racist. Oh. See what happens there. How long we got? We got fucking 5 minutes for the 9 o'clock. That's what we're waiting for. And this is when we want to see some moves. Yours does it as well. I wonder what it is. So I've even tried fucking chat GPT in it and grokking it and all that, and it doesn't give me straight answers. Same as fucking YouTube. Even YouTube ain't got no answers for me, so that's a bit weird. Driving, yeah. On road, fam. But yeah, I don't know why it freezes. Do not know why it freezes. You know what? It's done it again. It's fucking done it again. Why is it doing that? Does not make sense, mate. So now I've got to do that again. Do that. Reset it. Why is it doing that? That is fucking annoying. Really annoying. It's not like I've got fucking loads of shit opened up either. Oh, there's more. Just close that down then, I suppose. It's weird, isn't it? Let's keep OBS open because I don't know when it's going to freeze or not. And this moves that so I can see the chat. Bosh. Alright, we're back at it again. Let's see what happens. What's the time? 58, 8:58. Closing in on that 9 o'clock, and we want to see some sort of moves. We want to see something to play out for us. Okay. Is there any news today? I haven't even checked. Any news? Let's have a look. 12 o'clock for Great British Pound, and then 1/2 US dollar unemployment claims. Okay. Great stuff. Great stuff. Great fucking stuff there, lad. 9 o'clock, here we go. So 9 o'clock is officially opened. Let's see what we can pull off. A nice engulfing candle as well. That's really good to see. Really bloody good to see. I want to see some sort of pullback first. I want to see some sort of pullback before we jump in on this, preferably. I just need to get an average idea of what size I'm using. Let's have a little look-see poopsie. I need to fucking remove all these pairs off my thing. Does my nothing. Got too much stuff on it. There you go. That's what we want, right? So gold. 5 minutes. Let's have a look what lot size we're talking here. This account C trader as well, and I'm not a fan of C trader. Don't like it. Getting used to it, but I don't like it at all. That is literally the. Yeah, just not a fan. Not a fan of C trader. 1.5. What's that giving me? 1.25 is probably what we're looking at from that area. And if we target up there, oh my god, C trader is fucking annoying, bro. It's a bit of a shit risk to reward. Bit of a shitty risk to reward, that one. We want something a bit more tighter. We want something tight. All tight. But we're looking at something like that anyway. Oh. Anything going on in the world? Let's have a look, let's have a look. Nothing. ABC suspends Jimmy Kimmel over live over false Charlie Kirk murder claims. What a donut. What a fucking donut. Mad thing. Alright, let's get back onto this. Oh look, and the screen is frozen again. What good news. What fucking good news, mate. Fucking hell. Oh, that's gonna fucking piss me off today, innit? That is going to fucking piss me off today. Gold is not supplying nothing as of yet. Nothing good anyway. Gold. I need to take that home. Take that home, lad. Fucking hell, move. There you go. Fucking move! Don't like the way it's moving at the minute. Do not like the way gold is moving. We got until 11 o'clock and then it shut off. And then it shut off for me. Screen is froze again. Fucking mate. Why is it doing this? Fucking shit. Cunty fucking thing. There's got to be a reason why it's doing it. Has to be. Well, what's causing it to happen? Studio mode settings. It's not nothing to do with the stream, it's just to do with the whatever it's to do with. I don't fucking know. I don't know, guys. Preferably, I wanted a bit more of a push up, especially after 9 o'clock. I wanted some sort of push and break of these little highs here, and pretty much a confirmation of this break here, which we haven't got on the 15. So I wanted to push up. Once 9 o'clock opened, I wanted to push up, maybe respect this area, pull back down, and then get a reaction to continue upside. But at the minute, it's just pulling downside, so I'm not too happy about that. We've got 2 hours till I shut off, till I stop trading. So yeah, just a waiting game. Nothing. It's not as volatile as it normally is, as I normally would like to see it, but that's what happens some days, isn't it? Right, if you look here, we got a nice move yesterday. Push down, break out of the 9 o'clock areas, pull back in, respect, pull down, and then we did pull back to the upside anyway. But it looks like our main move for gold's already happened. Very slow today. I want to say a bit more excited to happen, but it don't look like it's going to happen today. It don't look like it's going to happen today. Chewing gum gum. Chewing gum gum. Chewing gum gum. The chewing gum gum. Oh, Fucking hell, lads. No. Put that one in here. Fuck it, I'm gonna swap these. I am swapping them. I want that in there, and I want to bring that back as well. Then that can go back up there. And go over there. Sweet. Boring. Screen is froze again. Oh, mate. So fucking dead. So dead. Why does the screen keep freezing? Bye bye. What is that? Wee. What is going on, man? What is fucking going on? It's so frustrating. Why does that keep doing that? So weird. So fucking weird. Oh, mate. Oh, I don't know. Welcome to trading. Monthly on gold is fucking crazy. Crazy cuts. It has just been going, mate. Same as the weekly, mate. Last few weeks have just been see ya. See ya, will be ya. It would be nice to have a pullback on gold though. At least so like even here. Come down into these areas and then move to the upside. Would be nice. Look at that monthly. That red line there is the monthly high and low. That was fucking dismantled quick time. Very much dismantled. If you're still watching JP, not sure if you are, but yeah, I've got highs, weekly, monthly and daily highs and lows automatically printed now via my indicator. Don't think you use it, but just a heads up, if you do use it, update it, because you can now get the weekly highs and lows and shit like that. Give you some extra liquidity areas, and you can turn them off as well. The best indicator in the trading game, CM Capital Market Structure Pro. Get that. Without a doubt, mate. Without a doubt, the best indicator in the market that is free and is better than most paid indicators. Guaranteed. 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 Is it because of the CPU? Do you think that's why my screen freezes? Because like the CPU or something like that? But my CPU's running at 20%, so that's fucking nothing, mate. That is nada. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think I'm ever going to work it out. I just don't think it's going to be one of them things. I just don't think it's ever going to be fixed. I'm going to have good days where it works stupendly, if that's a word, where it works fantastic, and then I'm just going to have some days where it doesn't work at all, like today. So, yeah, I just don't get it, man. I just don't fucking get it. Don't get it at all. Not one bit. Not one little bitio. Is there any... There ain't no clean demand zones. No clean demand zones because we haven't broke out of this area. So the 15-minute demand zone is not ready to be valid yet, which is frustrating. Fuck. Oh. Oh, mate. What's the time? 20 past 9. Nothing has happened. Nothing has happened, guys. Looks like it's going to be a dead-out stream today. Absolute pony. It's going to be a pony stream. Let's see if it freezes again if I do this. Aha! It's frozen again. So soon I've got CPU jumps up as well. So I wonder. I've gone onto I go onto just my Safari and start using Twitter, and then the screen freezes, which is strange, isn't it? It hasn't froze there. Was that just strange timing or what? Was that just strange timing on that? Let's see if it happens again. Let's see if it's happened again. Let's see, open OBS up. No, it's not. Oh, I ain't got a fucking clue then. I have not got a fucking clue, mate. Maybe OBS is just shit. That could be a good explanation. And then that is it. Like, do you know what I mean? That is it. Oh, my. Oh, I want to see some move. It'd be nice. It would be nice to get in on a trade today. I didn't get in on one yesterday. Oh, mate. Would be fucking nice, mate. It really would. Just see what's happening in the other worlds. What's Plantier doing? How are they getting on? Nice. Let's go on there. Earnings and revenue, okay. Of course, it's gone up. SMR dropping again. Taking a bit of a hit on this one, but I am expecting overall price to move upside on this. very skitty scatty at the minute. Nvidia, it's ranging. All Bitcoins broke out of weekly highs. Took out daily highs. Weekly highs and daily highs don't really matter with this anyway. But overall, we look like we're going to be taking all-time highs as soon as possible. Structure on this is actually really nice. I think next up is all-time high. I think we're going to be breaking the 24 and 24 and a half, and we're going to be pushing to 25, 26, 130 possibly. 130 would be next up, I think. But yeah, we've fucking in a good position here with Bitcoin. Weekly. Bitcoin dominance. What's that on the weekly? Still dropping. Ethereum still moving upside. XRP. Fuck XRP anyway. Doge. Solana's fucking moving, mate. And then H bar. Oh, so boring today. Screen is frozen again. Fucking hell. Sorry, lads. Let's edit the fucking... Oh, where do I go to the stream? Let's go back to the stream. What's going on here, lad? How do I edit the stream? I could do it the other day. Oh, yeah. I can't edit it. What's going on here then, lad? Stream health. Healthy stream. Ahaha. Here we go. OBS screen keeps freezing. Update. Masturbate. Hour and a half till we close off. But I'm probably going to close off earlier than this because it is fucking shit today. Another 15-minute closure, bearish. This 15-minute closure is not looking entertaining at all. I preferably want to see a push upside. I want to see a push upside, break out of these equal highs, then pull back down, and then we can target here. And then we could use this 15-minute as an area of attack. That would be nice. But there's a lot of imbalance down here, inverted fair value gap, so we could easily either just pull straight back down and reverse, which would be nice, or break out these equal highs again, maybe respect this area, trick some people into buying, and then push down into that, and then go, and then move. That's the idea. This second option would be a really nice one, because then we would take out that internal liquidity here into the fair value gap, get a nice fucking low entry down here, stops below these lows here, push up and wear away. A nice risk to reward. That would be perfect. But perfect never happens, guys. Perfect never happens. I need a poo. I need a poo. Oh my god, I need a poo. I need to go over the shop as well and get some lunch for lunchtime, because I didn't make any lunch today. So I think the screen goes funky when the CPU rises. At the minute the CPU is at 22%. But it shouldn't be causing the screen to freeze. So maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe I'm completely wrong. I don't know. I'm obviously completely wrong because I ain't got a fucking clue. I've not got a fucking clue, mate. At all. But yeah, let's see a breakout. Come on. I want to see gold push up and have a breakout of these equal. And the screen's frozen again. The screen has frozen again, guys. Fucking hell, man. Oh, fuck. What a load of shit. Fucking what a load of old shit. Restart capture. Oh, I think I'm going to shut this one down today, because we're not getting no movement on gold. The screen keeps freezing. What is the fucking point? What is the point? 48 minutes to 50 minutes of streaming and zilch has happened. I'm actually just going to be curious and quickly look at the other pairs, even though I don't trade them. God, it feels weird because I hadn't looked at them for about a week, and even that week off it just made it feel a bit strange. Asia lows got taken, shifted, moved to the other side. Asia highs got taken. Great. Same going to be on GU as well. Yes. Great. Gold, obviously, nope. Nasdaq. What's Nasdaq? I love Nasdaq. It's just fucking going though, isn't it? Yeah, so Nasdaq, fuck all. The S&P, obviously, fuck all as well. All my liquidity targets got hit with the S&P though. I can't delete them. Fucking one at a time, boys. One at a time. The S&P is also gone. Could get a nice entry on that though. And same as the Nasdaq. They actually broke all-time highs. They have broke all-time highs as well. And then gold. Gold is pissing about. and gold is fucking us about. So we are at 50 minutes now, 50-minute stream with absolutely nothing happening but me moaning. So there we go. I'm probably going to shut this off, guys. More than likely going to shut this off. Fuck it. Right, I'm going to shoot because nothing's happening. Market's been dead. Screen keeps freezing. And yeah, it's just pointless, isn't it? It's fucking pointless. But I will quickly run over the trade idea that I have. Obviously, we are very, very bullish as always. So dropping down to the 4 hour, we're just going to have to start from there. Structure-wise, price action-wise, these are our lows. This is our new high. So we're below the 50% of that range now. The range is that main leg, the main leg that caused the breaker structure and took out the weekly highs. So that's our main leg. We've pulled below the 50% and we have come into a 4 hour demand zone. Coming down to the 1 hour, there's nothing really in the 1 hour. So dropping down to the 30-minute, we've come into this 4 hour demand zone. We have taken our previous daily lows. Fantastic. Once we've taken out the previous daily lows, as well as taken out some liquidity over at this side, you've got these 3 lows here, which have all been taken out. We have done a V-shaped reversal. V-shaped reversal was a very strong reversal pattern, which does indicate that we're more than likely going to be moving back to the upside. So we get that V-shaped reversal with an inverted fair value gap. An inverted fair value gap is a fair value gap that gets made one time and then it happens again on the opposite side. So the fair value gap has now been inverted and you basically have a fair value gaps back to back from a bearish candle to a bullish candle. So there's still a gap there, even though the first one has in a sense been filled, but it hasn't because it gapped to fill it. So you've got an inverted fair value gap. So you've got an inverted fair value gap, so we could potentially see a pull down into that inverted fair value gap and then a push to the upside to take out 2 key liquidity areas. Obviously the main liquidity area would be these Asia highs where this green line is, and then obviously your second area would be yesterday's daily high and the all-time high itself. So that's our plan and idea. I preferably want to see 1 second because the screen is frozen again and I do not want to closure on that. Preferably I want to see this double top high get broken and then pulled back down, taking out these little lows here as liquidity, taking out that liquidity and then reacting. But we could see price pull down, respect this order block that's also in line with this fair value gap, the IFVG. So we could see a pull back down into this area and then react. So there's 2 possible scenarios. One is to push up, taking out these highs. Then there's a demand zone here. We can respect that and then push up, or we can respect that, then keep pushing down to disrespect it, tap in deeper into our areas and then move to the upside. Something like that. So there's a few things we're looking out for. That is what I am looking out for today. And yeah, price is moving really slow this morning, so I don't really want to be sitting here streaming for no reason. Asia lows has obviously been taken out. Previous daily lows have been taken out. We have liquidity targets to the upside. So yeah, so liquidity to the downside really, there isn't any left. I'm not sure if them London lows have been taken, but we have taken out this low and this low, so that could be enough liquidity taken to just push us to the upside now. So overall I am bullish. Obviously you've got to follow the price action, the market structure on the 4 hour anyway. We're below the 50% of that range, so really we only want to be looking for buys anyway. So that is the idea for today on gold. I'm not really interested in this bearish structure here because obviously this is lower time frame, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15. I'm more in line now with the 4 hour, but I do want to see a break of structure on these 1 hours, which is the major highs. So this could be a target. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Overall, my bias is buys. So we're just going to have to sit and wait. It's just one of them ones we have to sit and wait. So yeah, guys, the stream has been absolutely shit today. Sorry about that, but it is what it is. Do you know what I mean? Can't all be perfect. So yeah, that's my bias. Buys, keep an eye on it, watch it, whatever you got to do. But that's my bias. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you maybe next week again, or tomorrow, or whenever I do a stream again. They're not consistent at the minute, so just whenever it happens, it happens. So yeah, yeah. Look for buys on gold, guys. Sweet.